welcome back to Yum Yum Telly. My name is Rachel. Holiday is just around the corner and we have a lot of parties to go to, small or big parties. But we're always ending up thinking what to bring, right? So today I am giving you an idea. I am going to show you how to make the easiest dessert you can bring to any party and it will taste really good. It is baked candy yam. So are you ready? Let's go to our kitchen and let's begin cooking. Our ingredients or ang ating mga sangkap to make this scrumptious, easy to make baked candy yam are as follows: cinnamon powder, butter, water, brown sugar, sweet potatoes, and marshmallows. Okay guys, so let's begin by peeling off all our sweet potato. Make sure it's well peeled off. There you go. So I will do this to all of my sweet potatoes, and so I got more and more and more. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, so now I am going to cut it. It doesn't have to be too small because it's gonna get cooked. There you go, that is just perfect. And I'm already have my pot ready, so I'm gonna just put it in here. And I'm just gonna cut all of it close to like same size. Yeah, there you go. So just put it in a pot so we don't have to dirty another bowl. All right, so let me just cut this one. They look gorgeous. That beautiful orange color is perfect for autumn. They look delicious. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay guys, so this is our sweet potato and they are looking gorgeous. It's orange. I love it. It's really great for Thanksgiving dinner. Okay, so in here I am going to put a little bit of water. There you go. And we're gonna put our sugar. All right. And we are going to put our cinnamon. You can use nutmeg. It's fine. And it's gonna taste really good. Cinnamon smells really good as well. Okay, so now we are going to turn our heat to medium. And you better watch to prevent it from sticking at the bottom. Make sure you watch it very careful. And if you think that it's burning at the bottom, turn it to low. And make sure you stir it really good. So right now, I don't need to stir it. But once it started to heat up, I am going to start stirring it to prevent it from burning. Okay? We'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, so now that it is started to heat up and you can hear it's bubbling, I am going to stir it. This is the hardest part of this whole process, is stirring. There you go. That smells so good. So I'm just gonna keep doing this until all of it is stirred properly. That looks gorgeous. like you're ready to eat it. Alright, so we're just gonna cook this until our sweet potato is softened, and then we are gonna transfer these to our baking pan, and we're gonna bake these 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, now that it's stirred, I will leave this alone for a bit so it can cook. Okay, I will see you in a bit. Okay guys, so now that it is boiling, I am going to add our butter. It doesn't matter actually when do you want your butter, but I feel like it's best and it's easy to boil, to melt if it's boiling already. And that butter will give us that shiny and prevent it from sticking on the side of our pot. All right, looking gorgeous. Alrighty. Okay guys, so 15 to 20 minutes, and while you're stirring, try to break it a bit so it gives you that portion. That's the best part of it. I love that portion. Alright, I like that thick, look like a sauce. That's what I like. Alright, so this is done. Turning the stove off. Okay guys, so here it is, and I am gonna transfer these to my baking pan. Okay guys, so this is our sweet potato that we just transferred in here, and now I am gonna put some marshmallows. And if you forgot, make sure you preheat your oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit. There you go. And you can use different sizes of marshmallows if that's what you like, or different colors is fine as well. But I like these big ones because I like the chunky marshmallows when I'm ready to eat it. You can put more or less, so it's actually up to you how much do you want to put in there. But me, I want it good amount. There you go. And then we are gonna bake this 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven until all of these marshmallows is melted and toasty. Okay, and I will see you soon. Okay guys, so it's right there, and we'll see you in at least 10 minutes. So guys, this is 5 minutes and they look like getting there. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, so here it is, 15 minutes, and look at that gorgeous golden brown. Okay guys, so here it is, our sweet potato. It's really hot. It just came out of the oven. Look at that gorgeous. Let's take a peek. Look at that. Ooh, the ooey. All right. Candy yam, guys. Enjoy. Here you go, guys. Our finished product. Baked candy yam. It smells so good. I hope you try this, guys. I hope you enjoy our video today. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Keep smiling, be safe, happy cooking, and God bless. Bye guys. Happy cooking. Okay guys, so here it is in our luncheon, Thanksgiving luncheon. They look amazing. Did you see those turkeys? Those are turkeys, believe me.
We got potatoes.
Gobble gobble.
And we got banana pudding. We're good.
Oh yes. And here you go guys. This is the baked candy yam. Look at that. Look at that gooey.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share our videos. Until next time, thank you. Bye-bye.